Okay, guys, y'all ignore the way I look because I've been out playing in the snow all day. But we're gonna make some Mexican rice. I have about I think a 5 or 6 quart stock part, probably 5. We're gonna put about a quarter of a cup of oil in there. Then we're gonna, let me go ahead and turn it on. See, this is gas, you can't be around that. Then we've got a cup and a half of rice that we're pouring right in there on the oil. Then we're gonna cook it. Guys, it takes about 10 minutes. We're gonna literally keep stirring this. You don't have to keep stirring it, but you're gonna, stir it. And then we're gonna cook it about 10 minutes until our rice becomes brown. We're not ready to put anything in yet. My helper is here. She is here, guys. Okay, but you have that. Now I'm going to let this cook about 5 minutes, then I'll come back and we're going to put onions in it, okay? Y'all hold on. Okay, guys, see how brown it's getting? And it's only been cooking, literally, you have to keep watching it. It's only been cooking about 5 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and put my diced onions, about a quarter of a medium-sized diced onion, or however much onion you want, guys. There's no rhyme or reason. No right or wrong. You are not helping with this, I told you. Now, whenever I'm not doing fire, you can help. I'm going to turn it down.
Hold on, don't get everybody.
And we just now, all we're wanting, because our rice is pretty brown, so all we're wanting is for the onion to get soft. My hair looks terrible. I'm so sorry. It's snowing. You're going to go look now. But the rice, see how brown the rice is? You want it to brown. Some of it's getting really brown. I better stir it good. Okay, that looks good enough. Now I'm putting in 3 cups of water. I'm going to put in, this is an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. I'm putting in about half of this can. Put in a little bit more, but that's okay. Then we're going to put in about, okay, let me see the measure thing. No, you're not messing around the heat.
You got to back up, baby.
You can help when Mammy gets to the other part. Okay, we're going to put in half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to put in, now we have onions in here, guys, but we're still going to put in, let me stir this. We're still going to put in some onion powder, about a half a teaspoon. Turn loose of me, baby. Okay, then we're going to put in about of garlic. We'll put in a whole teaspoon.
Or dishwasher. Look out here.
1 teaspoon of garlic.
Look at this snowman.
1 teaspoon of garlic. And then, guys, I like a little chili powder in mine, because y'all know I like chili powder in just about everything. But I don't really measure it. I just like sprinkle like that, like where it's kind of covered. It's probably maybe an 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Okay, we've got it stirred. Good. I'm going to put it back there, and I'm going to turn the heat down back there to the low, or maybe 2. And we're going to cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes, guys. So he's back there. Back there. Okay. I'm going to turn this one off. Now, hey guys, this is our rice finished. So you just kind of fluff it up. Don't really stir it. Just, take your spoon or whatever in there and just fluff it up. Got a little done, I'll go ahead and tell you. I must have been off on my timing, but it's okay.